The biggest thing that PFW offers the market is an expertise in the dealership itself. So it's really not so much that we're gearheads and involved in the software and technology specialists as much as we're interested in how we can use technology and how we can exploit technology to make things work better in the dealership.
So twice a year we do something we call a State of the Dealership tour, and in that tour I go around every store and talk about how the business is doing. So we do the tour around the beginning of the fiscal year for us, which would be, our year starts October 1, so usually October-November time frame. I'm visiting every store, and there's two topics of conversation. One topic is this is how we finished last year, these were the goals we had, this is how we did compared to those goals. And the second topic of conversation is these are our goals for the coming year. This is what we're trying to get accomplished in the coming year. The second State of the Dealership tour is in the springtime, about halfway through the year, and we're talking about, again, these were the goals we set for the year, and now this is how we're progressing towards those goals, and these are the things we need to work on as we finish out the year, areas where we still need work. The topic of conversation, basically, in all of those presentations is we review our company core philosophy, and then I present, these were the overarching goals the company had, these are the things we measure, here's how we're doing against those goals, here's how we're doing on the things we measure, here's how your particular store is doing on the things we measure, here's how your particular store ranks among all the stores in our company on the things that we measure, and that's basically the gist of the presentation. And then that usually takes about 30 minutes, and then there's usually about 20 or 30 minutes of question and answer and dialogue back and forth about what's going on with the company.